Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. My name's Eros, and today I'm going to be showing you a very short video on how you can verify your domain name with your Facebook ads account. So as you may or may not know, iOS 14 is not that far away, or it might already be here by the time you're watching this video, and you need to start making changes to your Facebook ad account to accommodate iOS 14. So if you don't know any of the changes of iOS 14 and the effects it has on Facebook ads, around this video, I'm going to add the previous video I've recorded on all the things that you need to have implemented. So whether you own an e-commerce on Shopify or a WordPress site or a ClickFunnels account, I'm going to show you two of the best ways of verifying your domain name. So let's crack straight on. But before I show you those, if you're interested in any updates on anything that can help you with iOS 14 going forward, make sure to hit the subscribe button and check the playlist all around Facebook ads, Google ads, programmatic ads, and accommodating to help you with iOS 14 issues that are coming forward. But let's crack straight on with the video and show you those two ways of verifying your domain. So the way that we do this is that we go over to your business.facebook.com, go over to the left hand corner and click business settings. Once business settings has been loaded up, you go over to brand safety, click domains, and then you want to add your domain if it's not already in here. If it's already here, it should pop up like this. And then you want to go over to the DNS verification settings. So all you have to do with this is then open up your domain name provider. So in my instance, that's godaddy.co.uk, where I purchased my domain. You go over to wherever you purchased your domain, and you want to copy this text record here like that. And then you want to go over to your domain provider. What you would then want to do is go over to your DNS settings and then click add. Once you've pressed add, you want to go scroll down and go down to here where it says TXT, a text record. We then want to press here and add @ and then we want to copy and paste what we've just got from Facebook into here. So once you've done that, you just press save like that. So once you've done that, you come back to the Facebook account where you added it. You should wait up to 72 hours. Sometimes it's instant. Sometimes you have to wait an hour, sometimes a couple of minutes. Just keep trying, keep coming back to it up to 72 hours. If it doesn't work, then go on to the second method that I'm going to show you in a second. But once you've pressed this, it should load up and say it has been verified. So once that's been done, if that does not work for you after 72 hours, you then want to go over to meta tag verification, which looks like this. So all you're going to do with this one is go over to your Shopify account, your ClickFunnels account, or your WordPress website, whatever it may be, and you're going to copy this in the head section of your code on your website. So this one's super easy. Just follow along and listen carefully, and it should be done in like 5 minutes. So this one here, you want to go over here and click copy to clipboard. You then want to go to the domain name that you're trying to verify or the website, and in this example I'm going to use a dud website, and this is Shopify. So I'm going to show you Shopify first. You go over to the theme section. Once you've clicked themes, you want to click edit code. Once that's loaded up, it should look something like this. If it doesn't, you want to click theme.liquid as the area that you want to be in, and then you want to find this little number here. This little number, I mean this little piece of code. So it should start off with head. If you can't find this, all you need to do is press Control F or Windows F or Command F if you're on a Mac, and just write head. That will help highlight to you where the word head is, but it needs to be between these two brackets. I'm not a coder, I can't remember what they're called, but you get the point. So once you've found that one, you want to go down and you want to find the one with the little dash before it, okay? So all this code between that bit there and that bit there is part of the header. So what you want to do is just above this bit here with the little dash, you want to go above whatever's there and just press enter to make it a bit of room for it. And then all you're going to do is paste it, what we've just copied, into here. So look, that bit that we copied from Facebook here. And then all you need to then go ahead and do is press save, and then go back over to here and then press verify. So that's how you do it with Shopify. The next way that you can do it is with ClickFunnels as well if you use ClickFunnels to host your website. So you want to go over to ClickFunnels, go down to a funnel, click it, then go over to your settings over here. And then once you've gone over to your settings, you want to literally scroll down here and you find heading tracking and body tracking. You then want to literally go here and then paste in that code and scroll right to the bottom and then press save and update. And once you've done that, once again, wait a couple of minutes and then you should have verified your domain with it in Facebook. If you don't use ClickFunnels or Shopify, you're not an e-commerce and you use WordPress for your website, then the way to do it with WordPress is to go over to your WordPress website and you want to go over to the left hand side where it says theme editor. Once you've clicked theme editor, that should load your theme's code. Once that's loaded up, you want to go over to header.php. Let that load. And then once again, what you want to do is find this head tag and the end of the head tag, press enter above it, and you just literally want to copy and paste in that section again, exactly the same as what we did with Shopify. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like button. If you have any issues, leave some comments down below. I'll get to them and help you out as quickly as possible. But if you are interested in any more iOS 14 tricks and tips for your Facebook ads account, Google ads account, any ad platform going forward, make sure to hit that subscribe button because there's going to be plenty more videos on this channel and there'll be a dedicated playlist specifically around iOS 14. So thank you and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.